What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Cassie here with your Friday, March 29th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Get your runs in while the slopes are still in season. Today will be a high of 48 with moderate winds. Skies will be cloudy in the morning and some showers will make way later in the afternoon. Come finish out your season on our 25 machine-groomed and loose granular trails, serviced by 5 lifts. Thanks for being part of the Wachusett family again this season. We want to invite all season pass holders to a special season pass holder appreciation this weekend to celebrate the season and show our thanks to you as such loyal customers and friends. There will be no day NASTAR racing today. Mountainside Ski Ride has their demo fleet of skis and snowboards on sale. Here's your chance to get some great deals on lightly used equipment. You can even give them a try before you buy. And that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Go check us out on all our social media and I will ski you on the slopes.